Hi guys, first of all, happy new year everyone and welcome to Student Zone. Okay, so in this video, we'll discuss about the 5 steps which will actually place you in a job in this year. Okay, so in this year, don't be lazy and learn these 5 steps. These 5 steps are enough. Okay, for you. Okay, let's jump into the topic. Step number one: learning trending technologies. Okay, so like if you see, you people were actually planned to learn something this year. Okay, so if you go on and look at the other people, like they learn css or html, java, php. I saw plenty of people actually learning these things. Okay, so if you just imagine, ai, artificial intelligence, was actually dominating this particular technology, html, css. What do we do with these things? We develop a website, right? ai is already started dominating creating these websites and things. Okay, so why you're learning outdated technology? Learn the trending technology. If you don't know what are the trending technologies in the market, so this is the list: ai, ml or ds, that means artificial intelligence and machine learning, and also data science. Okay, and then blockchain technology, and then cyber security, and then iot, internet of things, and then devops. Okay, so why I'm mentioning these technologies as a trending technologies? Because I have seen this job market. Okay, so like I saw every technology, if you have those skills and all, they'll kick you out. But these technologies were actually still in demand. Okay, they were seeking these employees. Even if you go and find some of these roles, devops or like machine learning engineer or ai engineer, so these are having a really good scope. Even those are in demand. Okay, forget about ai, ml and ds, because that is the future. And remaining four technology which I have mentioned. Why I mentioned that? Because they were not extinct right now, or maybe in future ai might dominate these technologies, but for now it was actually in demand. Okay, and like now I'll tell you how you're going to learn this. Okay, so that is what the step is, right? So now every day, every single day, um, 1 hour every day. Okay, 1 hour every day, try to take a skill. Okay, so how are you going to learn a technology? First, break the technology down. What are the skills involved in this technology? Okay, we'll take an example of ai, ml and data science. Okay, so in this, what are the skills we have? So machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, predictive analysis, algorithm development, statistical analysis. Okay, so these are the some of the skills we have. Like these are the some of the mandatory skills we need to have if you want to learn about this technology. Now you got all the skills which were actually required for this technology. Now keep that schedule. Okay, so by week 2 I need to learn machine learning. Okay, so that plan, so 1 hour morning, 1 hour evening, like that. If you are a really fast learner, then 1 hour in the morning or 1 hour in the evening, I need to complete this particular topic in that skill, like machine learning, right? So what are the topics involved in machine learning? So there are plenty of free resources out there. You can go with the youtube, or you can join iq interns. I recommend this. The link is in the description. You can join there, and you need to learn this based on the schedule. Okay, skills should be learned, and you need to have a deadline by month end, or by the second month I need to learn one skill. By 3 months I need to learn all the skills, like that. Okay, and coming to the step number 2, doing projects on the same technology. So like you're learning with artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science, for example, in our case. So you need to develop the same projects on this technology. Okay, so why you need to do these projects? Because you see, everyone mention the projects, like when they were writing the resume, they'll keep the projects like, I have done an iot project in my third year. Okay, so I have done with the group, and then I have developed a website with the group. They mention all these skills. These projects doesn't give you a job opportunity. They won't hire you based on these projects. You need to build a portfolio which the technology is really good at. For example, if you are applying for an ai engineer, the project should be relevant to the ai engineer. Otherwise they won't consider you. See, there are lot of competition out there. If you want to stand out, you need to do your projects really good. Okay, build your portfolio on the same technology what you have learned this year. Okay, and how to find these projects? So in our example, artificial intelligence and machine learning, here we have some of the skills you have already learned, right? So machine learning, deep learning, predictive analysis, statistical analysis, all these things, right? So now keep a group discussion with your friends. Okay, identify the problem. So what the problem faced by your fellow students or your parents or any your relatives, ask them what are the problems you're facing. And whenever they're telling the problems, just think about whether I can solve that with this analysis, or whether that I can solve that with AI or something like that. You can imagine like that, and you can prepare a problem statement. So in that way you can do. Otherwise you can do some of the pre-built projects like AI chatbot or something like that. Okay, now how you're going to do the project, I'll give you the entire process how you're going to do. So first, identify the problem statement. Okay, so you identify the problem statement from anyone. Now in the week one you need to have a blueprint of that project. I need to outline that. So what are the problems I have, how I can solve that, which skill was actually involved in this particular area, and how you're going to challenge them. Okay, you need to have the entire blueprint how you're going to tackle this problem. Okay, and after that, initiative. You can keep like from week 3 I need to start this project. Okay, by week 3 you're starting the project, and the first phase, your first phase would be done by second week or third week. You need to keep deadlines every time, because keeping deadlines is a time management, which is really important in every single company. Okay, so this is a good trait you can mention in your resume. So now you keep a target of I need to complete this by week 2 or week 3, like that. Okay, and you complete your project. And not one project, you need to do plenty of projects for your resume, or to get into a job you need to have a plenty of projects. And this is your portfolio, this is the portfolio of your projects. If you show this same portfolio to an interviewer, wherever the interviewer, like whatever the company he is, he definitely consider you. Okay, so this is the one area which get you 90% accurate that you're going to get into a job. Okay, so this is the best thing. And coming to the step 3, improve soft skills. Because even if you have even if you are really talented and you know every skill from different technology, and the technology is the only thing that the company wanted, and you're really good at the technology, but you won't get job if you don't have soft skills. Okay, what are the soft skills? So your English speaking, communication skills, problem solving, all these things comes under soft skills. Okay, so you need to develop these soft skills. This is really important. Okay, how important the technology is, in the same way soft skills is that important. Okay, so you need to develop in communication, English speaking, and problem solving. And there are plenty other things which was mentioned by the company, and even you can learn this from YouTube also. Okay, so there are plenty of videos to develop these soft skills. So now how are you going to develop in a real life? Okay, YouTube is another thing how you can actually learn that in practical way. So I'll tell you some of these tips. You can go and join the group discussions like in your college area. So try to gather some of your friends and discuss on one topic, like how the AI resolution was started, and all these things. Make a group discussion over there, or give seminars in your college. You might fear in the very beginning stage, but later that will help you to improve your communication, the clarity in your voice, and the English speaking and everything would be great once you started that. And you can go for online coaching. Okay, so soft skills, there are plenty of online coachings out there. You can go and you can take a course and you can learn that. Okay, and like that you need to, so I'll suggest you doing these seminars and things like that. Okay, or do one more thing. See, here in soft skills, collaborative work is also one of the biggest soft skill. Okay, to do that you need to work with the group projects. I know your individual projects have a really good exposure for you, but when you do these projects in a collaborative way, like with the team, then you have even more value for that. So try to do at least 3 to 4 team projects in your entire portfolio. Okay, and mention your role, what you are, leader or team player, whatever. Okay, team player is also one of the soft skill. Okay, you need to have. And coming to the step number 4, and guys, this is really important, as I mentioned you before. 4 and 5 are really important, don't skip here. The 4th important step was network and seeking mentor. I mentioned this for almost every person who met me, and this particular step is involved in my personal growth. Okay, so like network, what is the network? So you need to go to you need to speak to someone from any company or anywhere out else. Like you can go through LinkedIn. Basically in LinkedIn you can connect with some of the important people, like CXOs, any CXOs, that means CEO or CFO, COO, some of them. Okay, you can text them directly. So sir, I was like, I was a guy from this particular university, or else I have this particular knowledge in this particular area. So is there, like, we can actually discuss on that topic, because you are also working on that topic. You can start discussion like that, or else you can start in a normal way without any technology. Sir, how are you? Like, I was in this thing. You can, like that, you need to develop the network, not only LinkedIn, but also in your offline way. Like your faculty was there, right? So with the faculty you can build some network. Like you can go to your sir and you can discuss about some of your projects and things like that. Build your network. I'll tell you one of the best example why the network is really important. So one of my friends, he usually have this knowledge on pharmaceutical, but he was not a great at that. Okay, so he's having degree but very less CGPA, and he was okay, good at soft skills only in the communication, not in any other thing. Okay, he don't know how to speak in English, he don't know anything, but he was good at communication. He definitely collaborate with other people. Now what he have done, he attended every placement interview, every placement drive, but he haven't placed in any company. Okay, so now what he was done, he took a guy from Dr. Reddy's laboratory, and he used to collaborate with him. Like he used to discuss with him every single day out of the office, and then this guy became very best friend for this person. Okay, my friend. So now the guy from Dr. Reddy's lab, he recommended my friend to the company. Okay, now he started his career with 10,000 rupees per month, and now he was earning 40,000 month. Okay, this strong the network is. Okay, so if you build the network, this is how you're going. And the second one, seeking mentor. I suggest you this point because this is my personal. Okay, why mentor? Because if you learn, like if you learn skills or if you learn technology, you are really talented at it, but you don't know how the market react for that. Okay, you don't know that, correct? So now try to get a guy who has actually faced these challenges. Okay, in my life I'll tell you. So I have one of the mentor. So he's actually having a company. Okay, it's a multinational company. Okay, not, yeah, so the company was in different countries. So like I asked him, so I was having a dream of starting my own company. Okay, I asked him how you have started, like everything. He helped me in every single aspect for me, and he haven't helped me directly. He's not my relative, he's not my friend, he's an unknown person, and I am a stranger for him also. Okay, I went to him and I discussed like this. See, I was very enthusiastic in this, and I help you in this particular area. I was strong in that area. I'll help you there, you help me here. In that way I convinced him. Okay, now he helped me, he gave me all the knowledge what he have, how to start this company and things. Now today I started my own company. It's almost 2 years today, and it was running successfully and things like that. So seeking mentor is really good way. Okay, hire a mentor. So mentors are very happy to share their knowledge. Okay, because people think they were smart, and they try to tell you what they know from them. Okay, so try to hire a mentor. Okay, so this is step number 4. And coming to the step number 5, this is really important. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, this is the best thing you can do. So when you subscribe to this channel, I'll give you all the content what you need. Okay, like I'll bring people to make this podcasts. So I was planning to make some podcasts, but there is no enough subscribers for me, there is no enough views for me, so to show other people to bring to the here. Okay, I have plenty of connections, but I have no views or no subscribers. I want to develop this channel on independent way. Like I don't want to share this channel to everyone, and I need to grow in a genuine way. So please try to help me to grow in this particular area, and I definitely not going to disappoint you. Okay, you're going to have a good learnings from me. So this is the 5th step. Okay, let's recap. So what is the first thing we have? Learning trending technologies and doing projects on the same technology. Okay, after doing these projects, try to build some network and mentors. Okay, that will help you to get into your first opening the doors. And then coming to the 5th step, that is subscribe to the channel. So these are the 5 steps you can actually do, and this will definitely going to land you in your first job. Yeah, thank you.